carpenter ants love wood, especially damp, decayed wood where they make their nests. So your first step is to find that nest so that you can target the population. Search for ant activity anywhere there is moisture, around the dishwasher, around the sinks, maybe around leaky windows or the door. What you're looking for is little piles of sawdust, which is proof of their tunneling, or even a high concentration of ants in one spot. Can't find any evidence of indoor nesting? Lucky you, it could mean that the nest is outside. Amazingly, those small, large ants can travel up to 100 meters away from their nest to forage. So it could be that they're just coming to your cottage because they see it as a food source. In either case, the solution is the same. Our experts recommend using liquid ant killer wherever you see them traveling. They will traipse through the bait and they'll take it back to their colony. Also follow a few common sense tips. 1. Make sure that you're eliminating any standing water or area of dampness outside your cottage. 2nd, store firewood outdoors in a dry place up off the soil, not up against the building. 3rd, keep your kitchen clean and store food in tightly sealed containers. And 4th, if possible, repair cracks and holes where the ants might be getting in. Lastly, a word of warning. As you likely know, these guys can do serious damage to your cottage. So don't wait too long before calling in the professionals if your DIY efforts aren't working.